Kenya, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eunice, Tess, a Ugandan travel vlogger that is currently in Nairobi, Kenya to see what this city has to offer. Now, after that 20-hour ride, it had better be worth it. My first stopover of the day is at the Nairobi National Park, as you can see from my background, and I'm so excited to be here. And fingers crossed, I get to see the big four. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's do this.
This is the male. So you can see they are all females, but he's the only.
So they are all females. So the male is this one?
Is this one. And they don't share. So all this female is for him alone.
Interesting.
They are somehow crazy.
Guys, we've just spotted an ostrich. So what are those facts about ostriches?
Ostriches are very funny bird because the grey one is the female, the black one is the male. And the reason why, when they are incubating, the black one incubates the eggs at night because you can't see it. The grey one incubates the eggs during the day because you can't see it.
Oh, so this is the grey one?
Yeah.
This is the female one?
Yeah, it incubates its egg during the day.
So if it is female, how is it that the male is the one working with
the male is the one who stays with the chickens, not the female.
Interesting.
Because they have power that they are superior, nobody can touch the chicken when they are with male. But when they are female, the predator can come. But when the male is there, no predator can come. And funny enough, ostrich, it have a bigger eye more than the brain. The brain is so small, but the eye is bigger than the brain.
Oh wow.
And the moment it's chasing you, and then you ride flat, it can't see.
You won't be able to see again.
It will just pass straight to you.
No, it's waiting for you to tamper with the young ones, and it shows you fire.
No, it shows this is the father of this chicken. The mother is still behind.
The mother is chilling while the father does all the work. This ostrich is husband material.
Yeah.
So Nairobi National Park is not a park like any other park that you guys know. Just in case you didn't know, it is the only park in the entire world that is situated in a capital city. Like you can't find that anywhere else apart from Kenya. And of course, to know more about that, I'm going to be letting you guys meet my driver Dan.
Hi, my name is Dan. Welcome to the YouTube of Eunice, and make sure you subscribe for her, and I'm ready to take her around. In case of anything, she'll be in the safe heart. I'll describe everything she wants, and make sure you follow this radio. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. So he's going to be giving us the information. Of course, I can't know everything, at least not for national parks in Kenya. So I'm so excited about this. Fingers crossed.
This is for the lino. This is the ashes of the lino ivory. This one is for the elephant.
Okay.
It was banned that the president said there's no more poaching in the country.
Okay.
So the all ivory they had corrected, they were supposed to be banned. And this is for the elephant, and this is for the white rhino, and this is for the black rhino.
This is for the elephant.
For the elephant,
this is
for black rhino, and for the white rhino.
Oh wow.
It's just a remembrance. And I think you can even follow there. You can see this detail over here. This is a remembrance for that.
Guys, if you're not new to this channel, you know that we've been to all the national parks in Uganda. We've seen it all. We've been there, done that. So for me to come to Kenya, and the first national park that I'm going to is not in the world, is crazy to me. I'm still trying to get you to the idea that I'm in a national park and I'm still seeing skyscrapers. So guys, right inside this national park, there is a part of the expressway still inside the national park, and I'm being told that it comes from Naivasha, right?
Yeah.
Naivasha, Nakuru, and then goes through Nairobi to Mombasa. Wow, what a smart way of doing it. Like it goes through the national park without really tampering with the freedom of the animals. Amazing. So guys, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen pictures of like zebras with a background of the skyscrapers. So I think you can now see that it's not Photoshop, it's actually real. So the animals get to have their area, and then you have that background of the city. Like I told you, it's the only national park that is within the city center, and right now it is even more evident.